Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the Inateck VD1001 HD capture card. Now, of course, this is an external video capture device, but it's capable of taking a 4K 60 Hz signal and passing that through while capturing 1080p at 60 frames per second. The retail on this is roughly $130 US. I'll include a link in the description, and this was sent by the manufacturer for review purposes. So let's go ahead and get this thing open. There are a lot of different capture cards out there on the market, so it'll just be interesting to see how well this actually works. And again, if you're looking for actual 4K capability, this is not the device for you. If you're just looking for full HD, then this should be perfect. So let's go ahead and break that seal. I could try to peel it, but I'm trying to cut it even though I see it without chopping my desk up. Actually, you know what? I might be better off just lifting it. Let's see. No, that's going to destroy everything. You know, these devices I feel like have become ideal, especially if you are doing any sort of streaming. We're talking about YouTube, we're talking about OBS. You know, if you have any kind of format or rather software that you need a capture card for, this could be ideal for what you want to do. As you may have already noticed, really small, compact. So that's one of the nice things I'm seeing out of the packaging. And again, there are so many options when it comes to capture cards these days. During the pandemic, I feel like this has become a very highly sought after piece of hardware, and there's a reason we're still seeing more and more manufacturers bring devices like this to market. So HDMI in is, let me move that out of the way, is right there at my thumb, and HDMI out right there, and of course Type-C connectivity right there, which is essentially going to be your power. And then you have headphone and microphone jacks. Really small profile, so I like it from that standpoint. We'll see what the actual quality is like once I test it out. What else comes in the box? Well, I'm expecting the Type-C cable, and they do give you one HDMI cable, so that's definitely a good thing. And this is something that, you know, it doesn't have to be for gaming capture. This could be something where it's as simple as you want to hook up your camera for your Zoom or Skype video conferencing with family, business associates. So these are standard size HDMI, one standard HDMI cable, and which is what you'd expect with something like this. And then a Type A to Type C USB cable, again, to power the Inateck VD1001. So really simple, really straightforward. Remember, this is not going to deliver 4K capture. It's only 4K pass-through. But that means you could be gaming or using a 4K video camera or source, and again, capture full HD. So I think considering its size, if it actually does what it's supposed to, this could be a pretty compelling little capture card. Again, I keep calling it a capture card because that's what it is, but remember, this is meant for external use. But the beauty here is that if you want something for on the go, this is what it's designed for. It's not meant to, the irony of it being, all of us being in a pandemic, and I'm saying it's meant for on the go, but it is, with its form factor and the fact that it does not need a power brick, and that you're just going to have to hook up to the a Type A port on your laptop or desktop. You're in business. And again, it's all really directed at those of you that are looking to use OBS or XSplit or YouTube so that you can essentially capture whatever content you want to, whether, again, that's gaming or just yourself for live streaming, whatever it may be. Just another option and something I'm excited to test out and see how well it works compared to the Elgato products that I generally lean on, which are good, but also far from perfect on many occasions. So it's nice to see some competition from a brand that I've actually heard of. Granted, they don't make a broad breadth of products. Hopefully this one is solid. At its price point, it should be. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button, and as usual, please feel free to subscribe, and please stay safe. Later.